Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I'm going to be covering your website, the content, the Google Business Profile, as well as backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button over here, your links to your social media accounts, these visuals that are actually sliding, which are really nice. You're celebrating 20 years in business. Congratulations for that. You have all of the links to the different services that you provide, and it's great for the different seasons. And then, well, all of these visuals over here. So now, overall, it is a well laid out homepage. There are a few things that you could do, perhaps just make this click to call button a little bit bigger, have a contact us form at the top, so just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. Have you have the request a quote, so action buttons throughout the front page. You could add, for example, testimonials, reviews. You could have links to your blogs. If you have a blog, then the footer, you can actually make it a little bit bigger and including there the location, the contact details for your company. And when I was talking about including, for example, the description of the services or the blogs and all of that, is because Google likes to see content. And to be optimized for Google, ideally you want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And because through content, you are able to push through relevant bio intent keywords. So right now, your homepage has 188 words. And if I have a look at two of your competitors, so these guys have 371 words, and Island Paver, these guys have 256 words. So there's definitely an opportunity for you to outrank and beat out your competitors in that space. And when I came here to the Google search and I type in Masonry, Staten Island, New York. This is what we mean by bio intent keywords. So the first section that you will see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews, and Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. And the name, address, and phone number need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your 2 competitors. I skipped these ones because these ones are directories. So to rank here, you first need a website that is responsive, that is safe, and it has the right content and the relevant content. Once you have that, you need to build backlinks. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and in here I can see the backlink profile of your website. So there are 58 external websites directing traffic through 427 backlinks or links to your website. If I have a look at these guys have 92 external websites directing traffic through 469 backlinks, and Island Paver is where these guys have 12 external websites directing traffic through 60 backlinks. And a backlink is just that, a link in another website that is pointing towards yours, for example. And it's a mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. So you want those backlinks not only to have more, but you want quality backlinks, because if they are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide, then Google has mechanisms to verify this and will give you extra credits, so you will rank higher. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. Your website is being found for 49 organic keywords. I filter out here by Staten Island. Well, basically I did a search and I can see that you are ranking. So this view shows me the keywords that you are ranking for. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So I can see that you are ranking in the front page for quite a number of keywords. And just bear in mind that anything beyond the 11th, 12th position is going to be really hard to drive traffic because you're already on the second page of Google. But I can see that you are ranking in the front page for landscaping keywords. If I actually look at Patio Pavers, Staten Island, there's a search volume of 40, but you're in position 32, so you are not able to drive traffic. If Patio Contractors, search volume 90, so 90 people searching for that every month. Stonemason, Staten Island, search volume of 50. If I have a look at these guys, Tony's Masonry, they are ranking for 1,200 organic keywords. And in here, they are ranking for Masonry Contractors Island on the first position. And because of that, they were able to drive 24 visits. And this is an estimate of a search volume, of a total search volume of 70 searches per month for that particular keyword only. Masonry Contractors has a search volume of 30, Masonry Staten Island search volume of 50. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those buyer intent keywords which have the highest search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website. And then by building the backlink profile, you're able to rank at the top of the Google organic search. And that only means one thing, that your website is going to be in front of more potential customers more often. And because the first result gets 30% of the traffic, at least on general, like on average, then it means that you're going to get more visits to your website. Then a percentage of those visits are going to reach out to you. And then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers. And this is how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your rankings. And don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.